Okay, sports fans, here we are, Galveston, before you, ATS T460 mini track loader, straight from China. Yes, China is going to take over this market. Almost have to think they are selling at a slight loss by the time they manufacture these and ship them and auction them. So I say once the competition is eliminated, these are probably going to go up in price like they've done with all the other stuff that they've dominated manufacturing with. No surprises here. It's got the 23 horsepower twin cylinder Zonson Zhongsheng. Got the accessory valve. These work really well with grapples. Work okay with trencher. Augers work, but they spin pretty slow. Does have the double pump. I haven't tried it. These are not quite heavy enough to drive a mulcher. There is a guy I saw on Facebook, I think you can replumb the hydraulics and actually drive a tiller or mulcher or broom and move at the same time. Anything that requires movement and constant flow to the attachment usually results in track one side or the other not rolling. No surprises with this thing. I know Facebook Marketplace seems like half the things on there are scams and the other half are turds. May or may not start or blow up on the road or when you get it home. Buy it with confidence. If you want to drive down from Dallas or Amarillo or wherever, this thing, make it a day at the beach and drive home with your new loader. Build quality on these things is pretty damn remarkable. It does have half an hour, 0.6. Let's see. Horn works, light works. Again, no surprises. I will tell you, if you baby these things, they will last a good while. If you try to break concrete sidewalks with the bucket, you're probably going to ruin it. You're going to blow some seals. Operate it within its capacity and it'll probably last a good while. Store it indoors if at all possible. I foresee the cylinder rams corroding and shredding your seals if you leave it out in the rain, especially for extended periods. Try to cover it or put it in the garage and you'll probably thank me later. The engine, basically all these mini skids with the singles and these two-cylinder gas, they all share the same pumps, the same tracks, the same sprockets, the same buckets, the same cylinders, the same valves, the same switches, the same dials, the same gas tanks. This is the alternative to the Ratto. This is the Zonsen, rated at 23 horsepower. The Ratto is rated at 24, but I will recommend, if you are going to really use your loader hard, especially for like pushing dirt with a full bucket, knocking down big piles. The single cylinders are quite a bit weaker, as you might imagine. They run a lot rougher too with a single cylinder. Anyway, they do tend to run a little bit hotter. I have had some experience with the singles, like losing power, and I got my thermometer on them, laser thermometer, and it seemed like they were reading a little too high for comfort. So you can push the twin a lot harder than you can a single. Chances are it'll probably last longer in the lifespan of the machine. All right, let's see, where are we at? 5 minutes. All right, I'll go ahead, and it does have a master switch. Dump height is not terribly high, but it'll get into your average smaller dump trailer. No surprises. Perfectly serviceable. You can take this, put some more gas in it, take it to a job site, start pushing dirt. All right, signing off from west end of Galveston.